I'm just trying to be rich forever. Ain't trying to be up on my dick forever. And beef, so I guess I tote my stick forever. We can get it on right here, fuck nigga whenever. Whatever, I'm pretty clever. Yo bitches too. She sucked me, boo. She sucked me once, then sucked me twice. Take her to the room, she sucked me all night. Be quiet, shut the fuck up. If you ain't bout money, please hush up. I'm trying to get rich and then leave this bitch. Tell your old lady I don't need that bitch. Niggas keep tripping, yup, and the game keep changing. Young nigga, I'm on fire. Guess I gotta keep flaming. Getting tired of these rap niggas. I might start singing. Hey nigga, I'm blessed. I feel like I keep praying. Straight from out of heaven gate. What you mean, nigga, though? I'm feeling great. But I mean, nigga, though. I know these niggas love to hate. Tell them gon' lean with it, though. And if your bitch wants some fucking problems, I'ma make it leave with that hoe.
September 25th, when I lost a Trill Soldier, that when that set me off. I feel like fucking nigga, anybody can take a loss. You play it like a boss, so you gotta do what it costs. Nigga be steady slipping and hating, I'm on the ground. I thought that bitch broke down like that, bro.
Bro, you finna slide that bitch like that, boy. You a ripping, boy. I heard you coming, bro.
I thought that bitch broke down like that.
Yeah.
Go ahead, boy.
Hey.
That's that boy, that Boosie.
Boy. That game, nigga.
That's the game?
Yes,
This game song, Boosie just ripping on it.
The chorus on here?